everyone, I'm Daniela. I am the SolidWorks and SolidWorks PDM SME for SPK and Associates. Today I'll be going over a bit of a custom tool for SolidWorks called Part Information. Part Information allows you to use one menu to update custom properties for a part or an assembly, and then these custom properties can easily be applied to the BOM. What's very handy about part information and sets it apart a bit from your traditional custom properties menu or properties menu that comes standard with SolidWorks is that you can really customize it to add default fields, have a drop-down of commonly used either names, vendors, processes, materials, and cut down on the manual typing. So I'll go ahead and do a short demo here. Right here, I'm going to use the shaft part. So I'm right-clicking on shaft inside the BOM, and I'm going to go ahead and open the part. Here we go. And to access part information, it's very easy. It'll be right here inside your tools. And it has a flyout menu, which I'm clicking on. And here we go. We have a easy user interface that has a lot of fields. In particular, we have drawn by, which has a drop down in case you find yourself typing the same name over and over, your name, or a different name for designer, for engineer. Here you have access to these names. You can configure as needed. And the same for manufacturer, vendor, and you can also add the vendor part number. So for this example, I'm going to be using a very custom description here, and I will go ahead and add a material type and a surface treatment, let's say. All right, so I'm going to click on Save and Close now that I have finished updating my fields. I have a prompt asking me that if it's been updated, which it has, so I'm going to go ahead and click Yes. And once that's done, I want to save my file, so I go to File, Save. And now I'm going to go back to my drawing. I'm going to go ahead and do a Control Q. And here we go. All our fields are populated correctly, and I can continue on for each part. The great news is if you do this while you're creating your parts and setting up your assembly, these will automatically be generated when it comes time to create your BOM. So for more SolidWorks tricks and tips, please stay tuned.